Hello again. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to import your order into your store in MyShop. First, visit Kasernet.com and click on MyShop in the navigation bar. You'll be taken to a web page featuring various options below, including SKU samples. Our focus is on the Order Upload button. Click it, and you'll be redirected to MyShop's official page. Create an account or sign in. If you're unsure where to find your alias, we've covered that in another tutorial. Go to the automation website and click on your current username. You'll see your alias listed there. Copy that alias name and sign in, using it along with your Gmail. Once you're logged in, select your store. Then click Import Order. Choose your order from the File Explorer pop-up, and voila! Your order is uploaded. Since mine already exists, it is displaying an error message. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or concerns, our support team is always here to assist you.